Let me talk to the people them right now. Who they are Jamaica. You see from now, let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. You see from now until March, no beg nobody nothing. Anybody who live in Canada and New York and Chicago, no beg nobody nothing. Wait, make we stay until March. No ask you for nothing until March. You see the struggling we are going through in a foreign. You don't see the struggling we are going through in a foreign. No beg we nothing. Please, no beg we nothing. It rough out here in a foreign. No beg we nothing till March. Do please, no beg we nothing. I say all I make and them a freeze because touch snow. Me feel all part of me cold. All part of unmentionable part cold. Me all start have nose knot and me a cry and nobody no do me nothing. So, all the people in Jamaica, if you have family members in Canada, anywhere in Canada, or parts of New York, right? Do no beg we nothing till March. I mean like the first week of March. Close to Easter. Close to Easter. No before that. Valentine's Day, if you have a partner in a foreign, no expect no gift. No beg with nothing. It rough out here. You understand? So do. Make sure you're not sick. Make sure you're not dead. Make sure you're not pitting up, no sick. Make sure say your light bill not cut off. And make sure say your gas not done. Beg people in a Florida, London, because they know no snow. Beg your families in Florida. Lower out the one them in New York and Canada, because the winter is very peppy. And we still have to go out and work. I just touched snow a while ago. And my two little cuticles almost freeze off. So, if me see no number come from Jamaica, me not answering. Don't talk. Barrel man out. And a barrel not send until after March. Alright? But don't talk. Me gone now. I gone left for now. Bye.